पेज नंबर 6 एग्जाम्पल 1 सो दैट द मोशन ऑफ प्रोजेक्टाइल ऑन एज द स्क्रीन ऑफ अनदर प्रोजेक्टाइल विल always be straight line motion. Solution. Suppose that two projectile and projected at the same time in the space with initial velocity u1 and u2 and with edge angle of projection alpha 1 and alpha 2 respectively. Let us consider for our convenience the motion of projectile only in xy plane, taking the point of projection as origin. If at any times t is the position coordinates of projectiles are x1 y1 and x2 y2, then x1 is equal to u1 cos alpha 1 t, x2 is equal to u2 cos alpha 2 t, y1 is equal to u1 sin alpha 1 t minus 1 upon 2 gt square, y2 is equal to u2 sin alpha 2 t minus 1 upon 2 gt square, x2 minus x1 is equal to u2 cos alpha 2 minus u1 cos alpha 1 question t, y2 minus y1 is equal to u2 sin alpha 2 minus u1 sin alpha 1 question t, y2 minus y1 बटा के x2 minus x1 is equal to u2 sin alpha 2 minus u1 sin alpha 1 बटा के u2 cos alpha 2 minus u1 cos alpha 1 is equal to m से फिगर 7 but y2 minus y1 is equal to y and x2 minus x1 is equal to x represent the coordinates of the second projectile relative to the first. Therefore y बटा के x is equal to m and y is equal to mx. Hence the motion of the one projectile as seen from another will always be straight line motion. Alternatively, both the projectiles are acted by the same acceleration minus g. Hence the first projectile has zero acceleration relative to second. This means that the path of the first projectile will respect to the second projectile in the straight line. Example 2. If the origin of two frames s and s dash coincide at t is equal to t naught and s dash moves with a velocity v vector relative to s having the is exist parallel to s, find the Galilean transformation. Solution. Here the Galilean transformation r vector is equal to v vector question t dash minus t naught plus r dash vector. The axes of s and s dash are parallel to, hence the along the three orthogonal axes the form of the Galilean transformer x is equal to v suffix में x question t dash minus t naught plus x dash x is equal to x minus v suffix में x question t minus t naught, y is equal to v suffix y question में t dash minus t naught plus y dash, r y dash is equal to y minus v suffix y question में t minus t naught, z is equal to v suffix z question में t dash minus t naught plus z dash is equal to x minus v suffix z question में t minus t naught, t is equal to t dash and t dash is equal to t. Example 3. Calculate the acceleration of the frame of reference fixed on the earth surface at the equator and rotating with the earth one day. If it assumed to be an inertial frame, what will be error in 1 minute in recorded position of a particular near the surface of the earth? Radius of the earth r is equal to 6.4 को दस खाते 6 मीटर. Solution. As the earth moves third 2 pi radian in 24 hours in angular speed omega is equal to 2 pi बटा के 24 गुणे 60 रेडियन प्रति सेकेंड. If r is the radius of the earth, then the centripetal acceleration acting on the reference system situated on the equator in is given by a is equal to ओमेगा स्क्वायर r is equal to 2 गुणे 4 बटा के 24 गुणे 60 का होल स्क्वायर 6.4 को दर्शाते 6 मीटर प्रति सेकंड स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 3.4 को दर्शाते माइनस 2 मीटर प्रति सेकंड स्क्वायर. Evidently the acceleration of any particle measured in the frame will differ by this amount from the volume measured in the inertial frame. If this acceleration frame is assumed to be inertial one, the resulting error in the position of any freely moving particle in 1 minute will be 1/2 80 स्क्वायर इक्वल 1/2 गुणे 3.4 को 10 खाते माइनस 2 गुणे 60 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 61.20 मीटर. Example 4. Water in the river moves east at 6 km प्रति घंटा and a boat heads north at 8 km प्रति घंटा. Will respect to water find the velocity of the boat respect to ground. Solution. Velocity of the ground relative to the ground v naught is equal to 6i km प्रति घंटा. Velocity of the boats relative to water v vector is equal to 6j km प्रति घंटा. where I and j are unit vector along east and north direction respectively. Velocity of the both with respect to grounds in given by v vector is equal to v dash vector plus v naught vector is equal to 6j plus 6i, v vector is equal to 6i plus 6j, v is equal to अंडर रूट में 8 स्क्वायर प्लस 6 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 10 किमी प्रति घंटा. डिस्टेंस ऑफ द बोट्स रिलेटिव टू ग्राउंड tan थीटा इक्वल टू 8/6, 8 थीटा इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स 4/3 फ्रॉम ईस्ट. एग्जाम्पल 5. ए पर्सन इज ट्रेवलिंग इन द ईस्ट डायरेक्शन विथ ए स्पीड ऑफ 2 किमी पर आवर्स. With respect to ground, he find that the winds seems to blow directly from the north. When the doubled his speed, the winds appear to come from east northeast. Determine the velocity of the winds. Solution. Suppose I and j represent unit vector along east and the north direction respectively. Let the velocity of the winds with respect to ground be v vector and expressed as v vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap किमी प्रति घंटा. Velocity of the man relative to ground v1 vector is equal to 2i किमी प्रति आवर्स. wind velocity relative to person v vector minus v1 vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap minus 2i is equal to x minus 2 question बंद i cap plus yj. Equation number 2. Thus the wind appear to come from north. This means it has no x component from which x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Next, when the jubilee his speed relative to ground, winds velocity relative to the person is v vector minus v2 vector is equal to xi plus yj minus 4i cap is equal to x minus 4i cap plus yj cap is equal to minus 2i plus yj. समीकरण नंबर 3. However, the wind appear to the come north east direction now be but the unit vector along the north east direction u cap is equal to cos pi बटा के 4 i cap plus cos pi बटा के 4 j cap is equal to 1/2 अंडर रूट में 2 1/अंडर रूट में 2 i cap plus 1/2 अंडर रूट में j cap. समीकरण नंबर 4. नॉर्थ v माइनस v cap वेक्टर 2i v माइनस v2 वेक्टर v2 इक्वल टू 4i. ईस्ट वेस्ट 5 बटा के 4 v वेक्टर j कैप i कैप ईस्ट साउथ. Therefore the direction of along minus u cap is equal to minus 2 under 1/2 i plus j. Hence comparing it with unit vector u cap dash is equal to 2 बटा के अंडर रूट में 2 स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर i कैप प्लस y बटा के अंडर रूट में 2 स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर j कैप is represent by the equation 3 we obtain माइनस 2 बटा के अंडर रूट में 2 स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस 1 अंडर रूट में 2 4 वाई बटा के अंडर रूट में 2 स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस 1 अंडर रूट में 2 6 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 5 वाई इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 2 एंड द इक्वेशन 6 इज सेटिस्फाई फॉर वाई इक्वल टू माइनस 2. हेंस द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द वाइंड्स relative to ground in figure 9c v vector is equal to 2i cap plus 2 minus 2j cap किमी प्रति घंटा. its magnitude v is equal to 2 अंडर रूट में 2 किमी प्रति आवर्स. यूनिट वेक्टर along it 1/2 अंडर रूट में 2i cap minus 1 अंडर रूट में 2j cap is equal to cos pi upon 4i cap minus cos pi upon 4j cap. Thus the direction of the winds from north west along the south east. Alternatively, let v vector be the velocity of the winds with respect to ground, making an angle theta with the east direction when the person travel with speed 2 km प्रति घंटा. Due to east, he find that the wind seems to blow directly from the north. Obviously, the east component of the wind is equal to the velocity of the person v cos theta is equal to 2 km प्रति घंटा. When he doubled his speed 4 km प्रति घंटा along east, then the wind appear to the come of north east, making pi upon 4 angle from east. Applying Lemmy theorem, v upon sin pi upon 4 is equal to 4 upon sin क्वेश्चन में pi minus क्वेश्चन में pi upon 4 plus theta is equal to 4 upon sin क्वेश्चन में pi बटा के 4 plus theta v is equal to 4 upon अंडर रूट में 2 sin क्वेश्चन में pi upon 4 plus theta और 4 upon अंडर रूट में 2 sin क्वेश्चन में pi upon 4 plus theta is equal to 2 upon cos theta. 2 cos theta is equal to sin क्वेश्चन में pi upon 4 plus theta is equal to 1 upon अंडर रूट में 2 cos theta plus 1 upon अंडर रूट में 2 sin theta. 2 cos theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. cos theta is equal to sin theta. sin theta is equal to sin क्वेश्चन में pi upon 2 minus theta. pi theta is equal to pi upon 2 minus theta और theta is equal to pi upon 4. v is equal to 2 upon cos theta is equal to 2 upon cos pi upon 4 equal to 2 under root में 2 km प्रति घंटा. Hence the wind is blowing with 2 under root में 2 km प्रति घंटा speed the northwest direction. Calculate the friction force. The total force acting on free falling body of the mass 20 kg प्रति reference as the frame moving with a downward acceleration of 6 meter प्रति second square. Solution. Assuming the earth inertial frame of positive direction upward, f suffix में I equal to minus mg equal to 20 minus 20 गुणे 9.8 equal to minus 196. Here a naught equal to minus 6 m प्रति second square and g equal to minus 9.8 meter प्रति second square. फ्रिक्शन फोर्स एफ नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस एम ए नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस 20 गुणे माइनस 6 इक्वल टू 120 एन. फ्रिक्शन फोर्स ऑफ अमाउंट 120 न्यूटन इज एक्टिंग इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. टोटल फोर्स इज एक्सीलरेशन फ्रेम एफ सफिक्स में एन इक्वल टू एम ए सफिक्स में एन इक्वल टू एफ सफिक्स में आई प्लस एफ नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस 196 प्लस 120 इक्वल टू माइनस 36 एन. टोटल फोर्स ऑफ अमाउंट 76 न्यूटन इज एक्टिंग डाउनवर्ड द एक्सीलरेटेड फ्रेम. Example to calculate the friction and total force of the body of mass 2.5 kg relative to a frame moving vertically upward on the earth with an acceleration of 10 meter per second square. Solution. If we take a positive direction, then the true force on the body is f sub I equal to mg equal to minus 2.5 9.8 Newton. Here a naught equal to 10 meter per second square. Friction force f naught equal to minus m a naught इक्वल टू माइनस 2.5 10 इक्वल टू माइनस 25 n 25 न्यूटन डाउनवार्ड्स. टोटल फोर्स एफ सफिक्स में n इक्वल टू एफ सफिक्स में आई प्लस एफ सफिक्स में नॉट इक्वल टू माइनस 2.5 क्वेश्चन में 9.8 प्लस 10 इक्वल टू माइनस 2.5 19.8 इक्वल टू 49.5 न्यूटन डाउनवार्ड्स. Example. Calculate the effective weight of astronaut. Ordinarily weight 60 kg when his rocket moves vertically, 1 upward and 2 downward with 6 kg acceleration. Solution. True force f suffix में equal to minus mg. Force of in accelerated frames are effective weight f suffix में equal to f suffix में I plus f suffix not equal to minus mg minus m suffix में a equal to minus m क्वेश्चन में g plus a naught. In the case 1 m equal to 60 kg and a naught equal to 6 ग्राम. Effective weight equal to minus 60 क्वेश्चन में g plus 6g equal to minus 420 ग्राम equal to 420 ग्राम. Weight downwards. In case second a naught equal to minus 6g and hence effective weight equal to minus 60 क्वेश्चन में g minus g 6g. Calculate the effective weight of astronaut. Ordinary weight 60 ग्राम kg when his rocket moves vertically, पहला upward and दूसरा downward with 6 ग्राम acceleration. Solution. True force f suffix में equal to minus mg. Force in acceleration frame of effective weight f suffix में n equal to f suffix में I plus f suffix naught equal to minus mg minus m a naught equal to minus m क्वेश्चन में g plus a naught. In the case first m equal to 60 kg and a naught equal to 6 ग्राम. Effective weight equal to minus 60 क्वेश्चन में g plus 6g equal to 420 minus 420 ग्राम equal to 420 kg. Weight downwards. In case second a naught equal to minus 6 ग्राम and hence effective weight equal to minus 60 क्वेश्चन में g minus g 6g equal to 300 ग्राम weight upwards. Example 4. With what acceleration a should be box of figure 11 move downwards or upwards so that the mass m exert of force mg बटा के 3 on the floor of the box. Solution. f suffix में n equal to f suffix में I plus f suffix not. Let direction be upward, hence acceleration is non-inertial. Frame a. Here f suffix में n equal to minus mg बटा के 3 f suffix में I equal to minus mg f suffix में not equal to minus m में माइनस एम जी बटा के 3 इक्वल माइनस एम जी माइनस एम में आर ए इक्वल टू माइनस 2g बटा के 3. द बॉक्स शुड मूव्स विथ एक्सेलरेशन 2g बटा के 3 डाउनवर्ड्स. स्टैटिकल बेसिक ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स. Statical mechanics. In the classical mechanics do describe the dynamic state of a particle at an instant v needs 6 variable 3 coordinates to present its position in space and 3 variable to represent the component of its momentum. The components of momentum along the coordinates axis may be termed as momentum coordinate, but it most the system such as gases liquid or solid, there is a very large number of particles. These are called many particle systems. In such system, the study of motion of individual particle and interaction between them, it is a very difficult task. For example, in a one semi-square cube sample for air, there are nearly 10⁻⁹ molecules. If the position and momentum of these particles are known as any instant, then we use equation of motion. Their position and momentum at any other instant can be determined, as we need 6 coordinates for the position and momentum of one particle at a given instant. We will need 6 coordinates for these molecules. If a fixed electronic computer registers 10⁶ number in a second, we will need about 10⁻13 seconds, 10⁶ years to register the position and momentum of all the particles of one semi-cube sample of air at any instant. From this data, if we wish to calculate any quality, say kinetic energy at any instant, we will need millions of years at this computer. Therefore, the calculation of various dynamical quantity at any other instance is almost an impossible task. Thus, the dynamical principle is not suitable for the study of many particles system. Therefore, for many particle system, if it is better to concentrate on the average behavior of a group of particles rather than the individual particle. The methods involved for the study is called static method. The law formulation for the study of average of a large number of particles and are called the statistical law. In this method, the average value are much importance in the methods of the equation, like what are the position or what are the velocity of individual particle at the instant are meaningless. In physics, the statistical methods are much useful compared to the dynamic methods. The dynamic methods are suitable for system having only small number of particles and for smaller number of degree of freedom. The degree of freedom corresponding to the physical system found in nature is very, very large. Therefore, only the statistical method suits for their study. Moreover, the nature of quantum law is also statistical in nature. Therefore, even if a system with larger degrees of freedom has a quantum nature in its behavior, we need statistical methods of deal with it. Thus, statistical methods are much needed in physics. In the statistical methods, we study only the average of the property of the multiple system and express then in terms of probability. Larger the number of particles in the study system, more closer than are result in observed value. Prior to the enunciation of quantum theory, Maxwell, Boltzmann, Gibbs, etc. used the law of classical mechanics in association with the statistical methods to the study of their statistical properties of many particle systems. These methods are called classical statistics of Maxwell, Boltzmann statistics. The study provides the satisfactory explanation regarding energy, temperature, pressure, etc. of the system, but some of phenomena like radiation from a perfect black body, the specific heat of solid at low temperature, etc. could not be explained satisfactorily with the help of the classical statistics. For their explanation, Bose and Einstein and Fermi and Dirac developed two quantum statics, Bose-Einstein statics for the boson and the FD statics for the fermions. Statics thermodynamics, the microsystem consist of a large number of microparticles like electron, proton, photon, atoms, molecules. The properties of these systems can be studied using two methods, thermodynamic or statics. In the thermodynamical methods, we ignore the interval structure of the system and try only the electrolyte relation between its micro property like pressure, volume, density, temperature, etc. While the statistical methods, we try to interpret the micro properties of the system considering the behavior of the macro particle of the system. Both these methods have their own merits and shortcomings. The thermodynamic methods is simpler. It has certain set of formula which can be used to study the properties of the system. There is no consideration regarding the interval structure of the system. This method does not provide information as what changes are taking in place inside the system or why they are taking place. In thermodynamics, to the question why is meaningless. For example, in the case of adiabatic stretching of a metal wire, its temperature falls. Using the thermodynamical methods, we can calculate the falls in the temperature, but why there is a fall in temperature cannot be explained. The statistical method is based upon the very concept of the macro particle like atoms and molecules. A system of the behavior of microparticle help the understanding the behavior of the system as a whole. Methods provided as an answer to many of problems which could not be explained by thermodynamical method. For example, we can realize the equation of state of a system or explain to the low temperature specific heat of solid etc. by thermodynamical method. Thus, the main aims of statistical methods is explained to the micro properties of a system with the help of the study of microparticles. In a way, the statistical methods like the classical mechanics with thermodynamics. This branch of physics is called statistical mechanics. Some definition: system if is a finite portion of matter or finite region of space by round, real or imaginary walls or boundaries on which we focus our attention. The boundaries may be fixed or movable, permeable for the micro particle and may allow transformation of energy or movement through it. Thus, the system is represented by the properties of particle constituting is the boundaries. For the example, the gas fill in the container in system microstate. In it is a state of the system is represented by microstate property like pressure, volume, temperature, density, elastic constant. In the equilibrium state, considered an ideal gas filled in a container and isolated from the rest of the universe. There is no exchange of energy or particle between the gas the surrounding. Under this condition, if V is any change in the gas, it will be due to inertial cases. If the gas is left from, sometimes it will acquire a steady state in the which temperature, pressure, etc. will not change with time. This will microscopic state of the system and their properties like volume, pressure, etc. will describe macro state. Equilibrium state, a macroscopic steady state of the system in which the property do not change with time is called equilibrium state. For a gaseous system, its pressure, volume, temperature, etc. do not change with times. When it is equilibrium state, the pressure and temperature are same everywhere in the entire volume. In the other words, in the equilibrium state, the thermodynamical variable remains constant with respect to time. Macroscopic state or macro state All the system consist of teeny particles called molecules. A complete information regarding the system can be obtained by gathering information about the position of velocity of the particle of the system at the given instant. State of the system represented by the instant position of and momentum of all the particle is called macro state, and microscopic state of the system is in the equilibrium stage or micro state of the system. Its macroscopic property or thermodynamical variable remains unchanged with this area, whereas the position and moment is constituting particle continuously change. In other words, the microscopic state continues to change with time. Therefore, corresponding a microscope state, large number of macro states are possible. Note, in a way, statistical mechanics stabilize the relation between microscopic and macroscopic phase state of system. फेज स्पेस इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ए फेज स्पेस इज एन इमेजिनरी स्पेस कॉन्स्टिट्यूटिंग ऑफ फिजिकल एंड मोमेंटम स्पेस. इस मैकेनिक्स डिस्क्राइब the dynamical state of a particle in an instant. We need describe its position as well as velocity or momentum. The position of particle described by satisfy its position coordinates x, y, z in physical or real space called the position space. For translation must be satisfy the component of momentum p sub x, p sub y, p sub z are parallel the position axis x, y, z star. For this description we imagine a space which is p sub x, p sub y, p sub z constituting the orthogonal system. The instant momentum p of the particle in the moment space is represented by a point like position in 3-dimensional real space. Next we imagine another space in which the dynamical state of the particle is represented by 6 coordinates, the 3 corresponding to the position and other 3 to momentum. Thus the space becomes 6-dimensional space. All axes mutual orthogonal system intense dynamical state of the particle function of 6 coordinates mean we may use other coordinate system as well as. में है p sub x में x, p sub y, p sub z. The concept of momentum space is shown in figure 1. The components p sub x, p sub y, p sub z of the momentum p to x, y, z are represented on the 3 mutual perpendicular axis system. Obviously each points on this diagram represent in one momentum state of the particle. It is why this space is called the momentum space. This is imaginary in the nature, does not provide any information about the position of the particle. If we want to simultaneous information about position as well as momentum of the particle, we must imagine a 6-dimensional space in which each point will represent one dimensional state, the particle constituting the position and momentum at same instant. Such a space is called a phase space. For one particle, a state of coordinates x, y, z, p sub x, p sub y, p sub z on this space is called a phase point. It is to be remembered that phase space is a mathematical concept only and losses not exist its reality. However, it provided a convenience of the study of dynamical state of the particle. Characteristic of feature of microscopic system. A system containing a large number of particles is called macroscopic system. Generally, the size of such a system is large compared to size of atom 10⁻10 meter. On the basis of the concept of large law applicable to these atoms and molecules, we can study the microscopic property of this microscopic system. The statistical methods are best suited for the purpose. Some of the characteristic properties of the microscopic system are described below. Fluctuation in equilibrium. An ideal gas is simplest example of the microscopic state. There is no interaction between the molecules of gas. Ideal gas, consider a container filled with an ideal gas. Let the number of molecule in the gas be n. It is an isolated system which acquires equilibrium if left for a long time. Let the container be divided into two halves by an imaginary wall. The molecules of the gas are free to move anywhere. The container lets the number of molecules in the left and right halves of the container at some instance be n and n dash respectively. Then n plus n dash is equal to n. If n is very large, generally it will be found n dash is similar to n. Nearly equal of molecules exist in the two halves. This is only approximately true due to the thermal random motion of the molecules can be grow freely from the half to the other half. Therefore, the number of molecules in any half of the container will continuously change with the time. This change in the number of molecules with the time is called functional. Generally, this functional is not very large. The value of n and n dash are not very different from n bata 2. The situation n is greater than n by 2 or n is less than n by 2 are very rare. n is equal to n by 2 is the most probable configuration. If n is the very large of propagation corresponding to very large non-uniform distribution are negligible. Figure 2. Since thus the isolated ideal gas is the left from free of large distribution molecules in it becomes uniform and each unit's volume anywhere it is gas will contain almost equal to the number of molecules. Each half of the container will have almost number of molecules. N is equal to n dash equal to n by 2. This values of n and n dash will fluctuated a little about the volume n by 2. Large derivation del n is equal to cosine n minus n by 2 dies out very soon. Equilibrium of the state system. The microscopic state of gas system can be fully described if the microstate are known. For the position of moment of the all particle of the system, gas should be known. Owing to the very large number of particles, it is very difficult to describe their state at any moment. Moreover, this state continuously changing with time. The microscopic state of the gases can be described by counting the number of molecules in the sample of gas. For this, the container should be divided into a number of small cell equal volume, and then the number of molecules in the cell determine the microscopic of the system remains unchanged with the number of molecules in the cell continues to fluctuate about a definite volume of fluctuation will be similar for the all cells. The average number of molecules in the cell does not change with time. The state of system in which a microstate does not change with times is called equilibrium state. Suppose the container is divided into two equal halves. If any stand the number of particles in one half is n of t, then the time interval t in the average value of n will be n of t is equal to 1 upon t, t to t plus t, n of t dt 1. In equilibrium state, n bar t will be constant and equal to n by 2. Through in equilibrium state, the volume of n is close to n by 2, but this volume can be derived large from it, but this happens only rarely. If we take observation of n a long time interval, the value of n largely different from n by 2, say n at time t may be also observed, but this situation dies out of very fast with the time, and volume again comes very close to n by 2. Thus, the value of n in general show small fluctuation about the n by 2. The time taken by the system reach the value n by 2 from n1 is called relaxation time of decay of fluctuation. If the volume of n1 minus n by 2 is positive, the volume of n will decrease with time, and if n minus n by 2 is negative, it will increases the time till differences n plus minus n by 2 becomes almost zero. Thought we obtain situation in which n plus minus n by 2 is very large, but it happens rarely. Its probability in very small. This may be due to the some external reason. Thus we conclude if a system is in a state of large non-uniform distribution, it will be changed with time in such a manner that ultimately it acquires the state of the uniform distribution, and hence the equilibrium state depends of probability distribution on n narrowing of distribution with increase in the number of particles. Suppose a container in filled with a ideal gas having n molecules. If the container is divided into two equal halves by means of an imaginary wall, the distribution depends upon the volume of n. If the value of n is very large, the two halves will contain almost n by 2 molecules each. Due to the thermal random motion, molecules collide with each other and the walls of the container and suffered a transfer from one half to the other half. Therefore, the number of particles in any halves each container continues to change with the time. Sometimes it increases and sometimes it decreases. If n is very large, fluctuation is so small that the number of particles in any half is not much difference from n by 2. For large n, the probability of distribution n by 2, n by 2 is maximum. This state of maximum probability is called equilibrium state from the system. It is actually means the state as the molecules goes to the one part of the container to the other state are repeated in propagation of the probability. If n is large, not large, the probability of the fluctuation from the means or average value also increases. For example, n is equal to 40, the ratio of probability of the distribution 15, 25 or 25, 15 deviating 25% from the most probable distribution 20, 20 to the most probable distribution is 0.3. On the other hand, and n is equal to 400 from the 25% derivation of 200, 200 distribution 150, 250 और 250, 150. The ratio of probability is nearly 10⁻⁵. Obviously, with increasing in the number of particles, the probability of the large derivation became negligible. There be 2n particle in the system to be divided into two halves of box. We will now find the relative probability of distribution n plus s, n minus s will respect of to the most probable distribution n, n. As we see, if 2n is the very large, then taking s bata k n is less than 1, the derivation of the distribution n plus s, n minus s from the most probable distribution n, n will be very small. Let the probability of distribution n, n be p suffix max and the at n plus s, n minus s be p suffix s. There then from the definition of probability p suffix max is equal to 2n c suffix n बटा के 2 के खाते 2n is equal to 1 by 2 के खाते 2n into 2n बटा के n factorial p suffix max is equal to 2n c n plus 1 बटा के 2 के खाते 2n is equal to 1 बटा के 2 के खाते 2n into 2n factorial बटा के n plus s factorial n minus s factorial is equal to 1 by 2 के खाते n into 2n factorial बटा के n factorial into 2n factorial बटा के n plus s factorial n minus s factorial is equal to n factorial बटा के n plus s factorial n minus s factorial into p suffix max. Equation number 2. Therefore, the ratio of probability of distribution n plus 1, n plus s, n minus s are the distribution n, n. The relative probability of distribution n plus s, n minus s is r is equal to p suffix max बटा p suffix max is equal to n factorial का होल स्क्वायर बटा के n plus s factorial n minus s factorial is equal to 1 बटा के n plus s minus 1 n plus 1. क्वेश्चन में n माइनस एस प्लस 1, दूसरे क्वेश्चन में n माइनस एस प्लस 2 n बटा के 1 इक्वल टू n माइनस एस प्लस 1 बटा के n प्लस 1 इंटू n माइनस एस प्लस 2 बटा के n प्लस 2 n बटा के n प्लस एस इक्वल टू 1 माइनस एस बटा के n प्लस 1 इंटू 1 माइनस एस बटा के एन प्लस 2 डाटा एन माइनस एस बटा के एन प्लस यस इक्वल टू 1 माइनस एस बटा के एन, दूसरे क्वेश्चन में 1 माइनस एस बटा के एन डाटा 1 माइनस एस बटा के एन टाइम एस इज लेस देन एन। आर इक्वल टू 1 माइनस एस बटा के एन के खाते एक्स। समीकरण नंबर 3 लाग बेस ई आर इक्वल टू यस लाग बेस ई 1 क्वेश्चन में 1 माइनस एस बटा के एन इक्वल टू यस क्वेश्चन में माइनस एस बटा के एन अप्रोक्स इक्वल टू माइनस एस स्क्वायर बटा के एन लाग बेस ई 1 प्लस एक्स। सिमिलरली एक्स इज इफ एक्स इज लेस देन 1 इक्वल टू माइनस एस बटा के एन का स्क्वायर इंटू एन। समीकरण 4 लेट एस एक्स बाई एन इक्वल टू एफ द फैक्टोरियल डेरिवेशन फ्रॉम द मोस्ट प्रोबेबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देन लाग बेस ई आर इक्वल टू माइनस एफ स्क्वायर एन आर इक्वल टू ई के खाते माइनस एफ स्क्वायर बटा के एन। समीकरण नंबर 5 ऑब्वियसली द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ फ्रैक्शनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पी ऑफ एफ विल बी प्रोपोर्शनल टू आर पी ऑफ एफ इक्वल टू सी ई के खाते माइनस एफ स्क्वायर बटा के एन। 6 वेयर सी इज कांस्टेंट टू डिटरमाइन फ्रॉम द बाउंड्री कंडीशन ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज 1 माइनस 1 to 1 पी ऑफ एफ डी एफ इक्वल टू 1। समीकरण नंबर 7 माइनस 1 to n सी ई खाते माइनस एफ स्क्वायर बटा के एन डी एफ इक्वल टू 1। समीकरण नंबर 8 पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड इंटीग्रेशन वी हैव सी अंडर रूट में पाई बटा के एन इक्वल टू 1 सी इक्वल टू अंडर रूट में एन बटा के पाई। समीकरण नंबर 9 द कांस्टेंट सी विल आल्सो नॉर्मलाइजेशन फैक्टर 10 पी ऑफ एफ इक्वल टू अंडर रूट में एन बटा के पाई ई खाते माइनस एफ स्क्वायर बटा के एन। समीकरण नंबर 10 the probability of a fraction distribution of a distribution decreases exponentially with increase in the fraction derivation f from the most probable distribution for the larger value of n. This decreases still faster. Figure 4 show the variation of the relative probability r equal to p suffix में s बटा के p suffix में max with the fractional derivation s equal to s बटा के n. The variation value of 2n is clear from the figure that for larger value of 2n a smaller fraction deviation from the most probable distribution causes the relative probability to fall to the small value. Larger the value of 2n narrower in the distribution about the most probable value. Therefore, for this value, the system may be assumed in the most probable state, and hence it will also be equilibrium state system. यह फिगर है पी सफिक्स में एक्स बटा के पी सफिक्स में एक्स 2n इक्वल टू 4 2n इक्वल टू 2000 2n इक्वल टू 100 2n इक्वल टू 10 2n इक्वल टू 4. Concept of probability. If the system constitutes a very larger number of particles, then we cannot say definitely about the behavior of an individual particle. We can just imagine about its behavior. The concept of probability is helpful in thinking the behavior in more concrete form. For example, if a coin is tossed, we know either its heads or tails may come. If the coin is tossed several times, some cases the heads will come while in other tails will come. In single toss is not possible to predict whether heads or tail will come. It is nature to ask its many tosses, however many times the head will come question mark. If it is our common experience in several tossing of coin, almost half times the heads come up and also the tails. Therefore we say that chance of heads coming up in the toss 1/2. This term chance is given by the namely probability. In statistics it is the fractional number. The experiment of happiness like tossing a coin or downward a card from the pack etc. are called the event. In statistics, the probability of events is defined as the probability of an event is equal to the ratio of the number of favorite events to the total number of equal likely way to happening that events. Thus, probability of event is equal to number of favorite event but total number of likely event. Thus, a experiment is repeated n times and the certain event A is observed n suffix में 8 times. The probability of happening of the event A is p suffix में A is equal to n suffix में A बटा के n. समीकरण नंबर 1. It may be remembered that the above definition of probability is true only when the total number of happiness is very large and tends to infinity. These therefore the above definition may also be expressed as p suffix में a equal to limit n tends to infinity n suffix में a बटा के n. Question number 2. Now if an event can be placed in a way cannot happens in B way in the total number of the way or events in is A plus B, then the probability of occurrence of the events is P is equal to A plus A बटा के A plus B, समीकरण नंबर 3, and the probability of its non-occurrence Q is equal to B बटा के A plus B, समीकरण नंबर 4. Here it assume that the likelihood on occurrence of A or B are equal. A or B are equally likely to happen. The sum the two probability will be 1 because sometimes out of A or out of B definition will to happen. The numerical value of the probability is always 0 is less than P is less than 1. P is equal to 1 means the definition of occurrence the event. If P is equal to 1, it means that the event will occur definitely. On the other hand, P is equal to 0 expresses the impossible of occurrence of the event. P is equal to 0, the event will never take place. Probability theorem or relation. There are two important probability relations also called the probability theorem. These are additional theorem or probability of mutual exclusive event. If in a experiment there are two mutual exclusive event R and S and the probability of occurrence of the events R is P of R and that of event is P of S, then the probability of occurrence of the events R of S is P question में R of S R or S is equal to P of R plus P of S. समीकरण नंबर 5. The probability of mutual exclusive event in the equal sum probability of either event. Note by the term mutual exclusive event we means such event in the which one event occurred then the other cannot happen. For example, in the tossing of a coin, if the heads come up then the tails come up cannot come up and vice versa. Therefore there is mutual exclusive event. दूसरा मल्टीप्लिकेशन थ्योरम ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कंपोजिट इवेंट. इफ P of R and P of S are the probabilities of two composite event R and S occurring separately, then the probability of their simultaneous occurrence is P question में R comma S equal to P of R into P of S. The probability of composite event is equal to the product of the probability of their event considered separately. Note the event are said to be composite if the occurrence of one depends upon the occurrence of the other and vice versa. For example, drawing a card from packed of 52 cards. The cards is spread in the event and the X is another event, but the card is S of shade is composite event. Tossing of a coin. A coin has two faces, heads or tail. When tossed, either heads or tail will come up from a true coin. The probability of either heads or tail coming up are equal. P is equal to 1 by 2 in n such similar indivisible coin. The toss simultaneous. The probability of combination are R head of and n minus R tail of given by P question में n comma n minus R is equal to n C R summation n C R is equal to 1/2 कहते हैं n C R P question में n comma n minus R is equal to 1 by 2 कहते हैं into n factorial बटा के n factorial into n minus R. The total number of ways in the distribution of consider it gives summation n C R बराबर 2 कहते हैं combination having maximum probability in if n similar coins are tossed a number of times. The total number of possible combination is n plus 1 and the total number of ways is 2 कहते हैं. The probability of obtaining R heads of A and n minus R tails of B. P question में R minus n minus R is equal to 1 by 2 के खाते हैं n C R is equal to 1 by 2 के खाते हैं into n factorial बटा के R factorial question में n minus R factorial. From the theory of permutation and combination it can prove that the term n C R will have maximum value if R is equal to n by 2. Therefore the maximum probability disturbance will be n बटा 2 comma n बटा 2 and the maximum probability is P sufficient max equal to P question में n बटा 2 comma n बटा 2 is equal to 1 by 2 के खाते हैं n फैक्टोरियल बटा के n by 2 फैक्टोरियल n by 2 फैक्टोरियल P max is equal to 1 by 2 के खाते हैं n फैक्टोरियल बटा के n by 2 फैक्टोरियल का होल स्क्वायर. If the number of coin even then will be only the value n by 2 for which the probability will be maximum will be only one most probable state distribution but if the value n is odd, then there will be two combination y is n minus 1 bata 2, n plus 1 bata 2 and n plus 1 bata 2, n minus 1 bata 2, for which the probability will exist the probability will be maximum are the mother world. There are two most probable distribution combination having maximum probability. We know that the value of NCR will be minimum v in r is equal to 0 and r is equal to n. If r is equal to 0, p सफिक्स में मिनिमम इक्वल टू पी क्वेश्चन में 0 कामा n इक्वल टू 1/2 खाते हैं n c 0 इक्वल टू 1/2 खाते हैं n फैक्टोरियल बटा के 0 फैक्टोरियल n फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 1/2 खाते हैं. If r is equal to n, p suffix में mean equal to p of n comma 0 equal to p 1 बटा 2 खाते हैं n c n equal to 1/2 खाते हैं n फैक्टोरियल बटा के n फैक्टोरियल 0 फैक्टोरियल equal to 1/2 खाते हैं. The probability of either case in the same, hence p suffix में mean equal to 1/2 खाते हैं. समीकरण नंबर 8 probability of weightage. If a coin is tossed, the probability of either the heads or tails coming up whether equal or the head or tail equal could come with equal probability, but generally all the event are not this type. If it possible that the probability of happens an event may be different from the rate of non-happening. For example, a dice has 6 face marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Otherwise, the all faces are similar. If such a dice is tossed, the probability of any face coming up in equal 1/6. Therefore, the probability of particular marks faced on coming up is 5 × 1/6 equal to 5/6. If the such dice is tossed a number of times, it is natural to ask as to how many times each particular marks faced will come up. Such events as known is the case with weightiness. Such suppose in a single trial the probability of occurrence of the particle event A and of its non-occurrence is b equal to -1 minus a, assuming that the event are independent in a number of trial n, the probability of occurrence r times and that the non-occurrence n minus r times in the given by p क्वेश्चन में r कामा n minus r इक्वल टू n c r a के खाते r b के खाते n minus r n c r इक्वल टू n फैक्टोरियल बटा के r फैक्टोरियल क्वेश्चन में n minus r का फैक्टोरियल. समीकरण नंबर 9 p क्वेश्चन में r कामा n minus r इक्वल टू n फैक्टोरियल बटा के r क्वेश्चन में n minus r फैक्टोरियल a खाते n b के खाते n minus r. समीकरण नंबर 10 थर्मोडायनामिक प्रॉपर्टी. It is the number of microstates corresponding to given microstates of the system. It is also called the thermodynamic frequency of the microstate is represented by ohm or W. For example, consider the distribution of 4 particles into halves of a box. In this case, 5 microstate 4,0, 3,1, 2,2, 1,3 and 4,0 are possible. The number of microstates corresponding to the distribution 3,1 is 4. Therefore, the thermodynamic probability of distribution is 4. It may note that only manifold arrangement are to consider in counting the number of microstate. For the given microstate, the meaningless arrangement are left out. The redistribution of permutation of indistinguishable or like or similar particles is the cell meaningless as it does not produce any new microstate and therefore it is ignored. The number of possible arrangement of indistinguishable or unlike particle in a cell equal to their permutation n p suffix में n equal to n factorial, because in this case the particle of the first place can be chosen in n way. From the second place the possible of way are n minus 1. For the third place the way are n minus 2 and so on. The ins only one particle left, therefore the total number of wave arranging particle among themselves are n question n minus 1 n minus 2 equal to n factorial. This contain both meaningful as well as meaningless arrangement. For the example, the total number of arrangement of 4 particle is 4 factorial equal to 4 × 3 × 2 × 1 equal to 24 combinatorial formula. Suppose n is the similar distinguishable particle are the distributed in the two halves of a basket in such way that the first half contains n1 particle while the other half contains n2 is equal to n minus n1 particle. Now the total arrangement of n particle have n factorial for n1 particle in the first half of the box. The first particle can be chosen in n way, the second is n minus 1 wave, third is n minus 2 wave, as so on. Finally the n1 particles can be chosen in n minus n1 plus 1 way. Thus the total number of wave of choosing n1 particles of the first half the box is equal to n custom n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus n1 plus 1 is equal to n1 factorial bata n minus n1 factorial. But the permutation of rearrangement of the n1 particle among themselves is meaningless as the particle is indistinguishable or similar. These rearrangements are n1 factorial in the number, therefore the net number of meaningful way arranging n1 particle in the first half of the box is equal to n1 factorial bata n1 custom n minus n1 factorial. The remaining n minus n1 particle will be the second half of box, therefore total number of wave is equal to n factorial bata n1 factorial n2 factorial where n2 is equal to n minus n1. This will be equal to the number of microstates corresponding to the distribution n1 comma n minus n1 possible in the two halves of the box, and hence this will be thermodynamic probability of the distribution. Next, consider the distribution of n particles each k similar box that n1 comma n2 comma n3 that are nk k particle are in the boxes n1 comma 2 comma 3 that are k respectively, where n1 plus n2 plus n3 that are n sub k is equal to n. The number of microstate corresponding to the distribution, the thermodynamic possibility is will be ohm is equal to n factorial bata के n1 factorial n2 factorial n3 factorial that are nk is equal to n1 factorial bata के second n I factorial समीकरण नंबर 1, where second represent the product term. This is known as combinatorial formula proof. The combinatorial formula given above can be proved as an mentioned above. The number of wave choosing n1 particle of the first box will be equal to n factorial bata n1 factorial custom n minus n1. Now the remaining number of particle is n minus n1. From these we are choose n2 particles from box 2 as the above. This can be n minus n1 factorial bata n2 factorial bata custom n minus n1 minus n2 factorial, where similar n3 particles of box 3 can be chosen as n minus n1 minus n2 factorial bata n3 custom n minus n1 minus n2 minus n3 factorial, where so on. Therefore the total number of meaningful way of arranging n1 comma n2 comma n3 that are n sub k particle respectively in box n1 comma 2 comma 3 that are n that are k is ohm equal to n factorial bata n1 factorial custom n minus n1 factorial into n minus n1 factorial bata n2 factorial custom n minus n1 minus n2 factorial गुड़े n minus n1 minus n2 factorial बटा के n3 factorial custom में n minus n1 minus n2 minus n3 factorial गुड़े k terms ohm equal to n factorial बटा के n1 factorial n2 factorial n3 factorial data nk factorial. If the called I distribution, then we have can write omega I is equal to n factorial bata के second n I factorial. This proves the combinatorial formula probability of microstate. The total number of wave in the which n particle can be arranged in similar k box summation omega suffix में I is equal to k घाते n. Therefore the statistical probability of I distribution will be given by p suffix में I is equal to thermodynamic probability of the I distribution बटा total number of microstate p suffix में I is equal to omega suffix में I बटा के summation omega I. Equation number 2. It is to be emphasized that the thermodynamic probability of a microstate in the number of microstates corresponding to it, therefore its minimum value is 1, omega is greater than or equal to 1, 3. On the other hand, the statistical probability is the possibility of occurrence of the given microstate of ith distribution far out of the possible microstate, therefore its value is given less than unity. 0 is less than p suffix में I is less than 1. 0 means the distribution will never happen and one terms will definition occur. Both these are extreme condition and are never possible postulate and equal a priori probability. In the statistical meanings mechanics, we study that the distribution of a large number of particles in various energy states in a system. If a system is equilibrium and is isolated from rest or the surrounding, it is quite natural to ask probability of the some energy of position range being occupied. The answer to this question provided by concept of equal and priori probability. This is one of the most fundamental postulate of the static mechanics. According to this postulate, for a system in which equilibrium state all microstates corresponding to given microstate are equally assembled have equal probability of being occupied. This statement simply means that any one of the microstate corresponding to microstate is not given a preference. The probability of finding the system is one of the microstate is the same as the finding in the other. Notes: a priori means a consideration before the actual experiment in the performed. It may also notes the concept of equal priori probability. It is applicable to the weights distribution postulate of a statistical mechanism. The following of the postulate of statistical mechanics for a system of particles. पहला, every system of constant a large number of microparticle atoms or micromolecules which are in the stage of continuous random motion. दूसरा, the particle of the system behave like a teeny elastic sphere. तीसरा, the size of all particle cells are phase in space equal. चौथा, all the microstates corresponding to the macrostate are equal accessible. This fundamental assumption of the equal assemble or equally probable states is called the postulate of the priori probability. This postulate assured that none of probable microscope state in the is the given preference over the other. Therefore, the probability of a particular microstate is directly proportional to the number of microstates corresponding to it. Therefore, the probability of a system having energy P of E is equal to C omega of E, where C is the constant, omega of E is the number of corresponding microstate of the thermodynamic probability. Pachama, the probability of the distribution is equal to the ratio of thermodynamic probability of distribution and the total number of possible microstates. P of E is equal to omega of E bata के summation omega of E. If the parameter x has the value x sub I is the distribution, then average value x bar or x is equal to summation x sub I p sub I summation x sub I omega sub I बटा के omega x sub I omega sub I, where omega sub I is the thermodynamic probability of the I distribution. The equilibrium state of a system is also its most probable microstate. The total number of particles n is the system remains constant. This corresponds to the law of conservation of mass. If the number of particle various cells is r n1, n2, n3 n sub इसमें के n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n sub इसमें के summation n sub इसमें I equal to n constant. The total energy E of the system remains constant. This corresponds to the law of conservation of energy. If the energy of a particle is the cell 1, 2, 3 या k is epsilon 1, epsilon 2, epsilon 3 and epsilon k respectively, and the number of particle in the cells is r n1, n2, n3 n sub इसमें k respectively, then n1 epsilon 1 plus n2 epsilon 2 plus n sub इसमें k epsilon sub इसमें k is equal to summation n sub इसमें I epsilon sub I equal to E is equal to constant expression for the average property. A microscopic system constant a very large number of particles. Its property do not depends upon the behavior of a single particles, rather these depends upon the collective or average behavior of all particles in system. To find the average value of the property, yes, we divide into the number of suitable interval x1, x2, x3, x4 x and find the number of n1, n2, n3, n4 n of the particle behavior in the respectively interval. Then by definition of average property, x bar is given by x bar r x is equal to n1 x plus n2 x2 plus n3 x2 plus n sub इसमें r x sub इसमें r plus n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n sub इसमें r plus is equal to summation n sub इसमें r x sub इसमें r बटा n sub summation n sub इसमें r. Since the total number of particles in the system is given n is equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 n sub इसमें r is equal to summation n sub r, we can x bar r x is equal to 1 बटा के n समीशन एन सफिक्स में आर एक्स सफिक्स में आर इक्वल टू n1 बटा के बड़का n x1 प्लस n2 बटा के बड़का n x2 प्लस n3 बटा के बड़का n x3 प्लस n सफिक्स में आर बटा के बड़का n x सफिक्स में आर प्लस बाय डेफिनेशन n सफिक्स में आर बटा के n इक्वल टू p सफिक्स में आर द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द पार्टिकल इज द प्रॉपर्टी x सफिक्स में आर देयरफॉर x बार आर x इक्वल टू p1 x1 प्लस p2 x2 प्लस p3 x3 p1 p सफिक्स में आर x बार इक्वल टू x समेशन p सफिक्स में आर x सफिक्स में आर दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ एवरेज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट by the given microscopic system construction. In the statistical methods of study of behavior of a system, we find distribution of the particle constituting in the difference system energy level, momentum level or velocity level or cells etc. The distribution of governed by certain rules such as if the system is allowed to exchange particle with surrounding or other system total particle it remains constant n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n six r plus plus 1 is equal to summation n six r is equal to n constant. The real total energy of the system remains constant, though the energy individual particle may be changed, such as n1 epsilon 1 plus n2 epsilon 2 plus n3 epsilon 2 plus n six r epsilon r is equal to summation n six r epsilon r is equal to E constant, where n six r is the number of particle in the energy states epsilon six r. This type of rules condition employs the distribution of particle in the system in various states called constraint for the system a simple and non-simple state. For statistical study of the particle properties of a thermodynamic system, we are find the distribution of particle in various cell or energy state or momentum state etc. under given construction attached with the given macrostate of the system. There are contains microscopic state which the particles in the system are assessed to are attained. These are known as the sensible state, while the rest of state cannot be attained by particle are called insensible state. For example, we have three distinguishable particle a comma b comma c. These are two distributes in two energy of state of epsilon 1 and epsilon 2 such that the total number of energy system is 17 electron volt. The energy of level epsilon 1 and epsilon 2 are 5 and 7 electron volt respectively. Individuality the total energy of system is constrained to 17 electron volt. The total number of particle is constrained to 3. Clearly the distribution 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, b, 0, c, 0, 0, a, 0, b, 0, c, b, 0, b, c, 0, c, a, 0, 0, a, b, 0, b, c, 0, c, a will not allowed. Only the allowed distribution are a, b, c, 0, 0, a, b, c, a, b, c, b, c, a, c, a, b, a, c, b, a, b, c, b, c, a, c, a, b. These continuous the microscopic state the system next we applied the energy of constant for the distribution a b c 0. The total number is energy is 5 × 3 is equal to 15 electron volt and the distribution 0, a b c it is 7 × 3 is equal to 21 electron volt. Obviously both the state are not allow the next we examine the distribution 2, 1 a b, c, b, c, a and c, a, b for the distribution. Total energy of system is 5 × 2 plus 7 is equal to 17 electron volt. So these distribution will not be allow the next consider the distribution 1, 2 a, b, c, b, c, a and c, a, b. For this distribution possible total energy will 5 plus 7 × 2 is equal to 19 electron volt. These star will not be allowed as the total energy of system 17 electron volt. Thus the find that given system under the constraint of distribution are state 2, 1 a b, c, b, c, a and c, a, b are a sensible state, while the distribution 3, 0 a b c, c and 0, a b c and 1, 2 a b c, b, c a and c, a b is the insensible state of the system. Thus the insensible and insensible state of the macroscopic system are decided to be constant. Application distribution of particle with given energy of into discrete set of the state considered a system is equilibrium that the number of particle in the phase cell 1, 2, 3 k b n1, n2, n3 n k respectively. The number of particle in various cells change with time but is the very close the equilibrium value. This change follow that law statistical mechanics. The total number of particles remains constant n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus data n sub के समीकरण n sub में I equal to n constant इक्वेशन नंबर 1. दूसरा the total number of energy system remains constant n1 epsilon 1 plus n2 epsilon 2 plus data n sub के epsilon sub में equal to समीकरण n sub में I epsilon sub में I equal to E constant. दूसरा where epsilon 1 is the energy of particle in the ith cell. तीसरा the in the equilibrium the state of thermodynamic probability ohm the system maximum is d omega is equal to 0 d log e base e omega is equal to 0. समीकरण में we know that the thermodynamic probability ith distribution given by omega is equal to n factorial बटा n1 factorial plus n into n2 factorial plus into n3 factorial data n sub के. समीकरण में 4 taking logarithm we have log base e omega is equal to log base e n factorial minus क्वेश्चन में log base e n1 factorial plus log base e n2 factorial plus 5 using Stirling formula. log base e is equal to x log x minus n minus x. We have log base e omega is equal to n log e n minus epsilon suffix में I n suffix में I log base e ni minus ni log e ohm n log e n minus summation I ni log e ni. समीकरण नंबर 6 डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ डेल्टा log e ohm is equal to minus समीशन I. क्वेश्चन में log e बेस e n सफिक्स में I डेल सफिक्स n सफिक्स में I प्लस n सफिक्स में I 1 बटा के n सफिक्स में I डेल n सफिक्स में I इक्वल टू माइनस समीशन I log e बेस n I समीशन डेल्टा n I माइनस समीशन डेल n I इक्वल टू माइनस समीशन I log बेस e n I डेल n I समीशन I डेल n I इक्वल टू 0. 7 but the equilibrium state the thermodynamic probability of a system is maximum equation therefore minus summation I log n suffix में I del n suffix में I is equal to 0. Question number 8 also the from the 1 and 2 we have summation I del n I is equal to 0. now summation I del n I is equal to 0. 10 equation 8 9 and thus are totally independent of the each other but they are satisfying at time. To satisfy above condition we have Lagrange methods to determine multiples. In the method 3 equation should be multiplied by the sum constant and added to constitute a general equation according to the multipliers equation. now log e base a is equal to 10 by beta and added the equation 8 thus summation I क्वेश्चन में log e n I plus beta summation I minus log base e a क्वेश्चन में del n I is equal to 0 11 where a and b are known constant. This is value of del n I are necessarily 0 in the order of equation 11 may be satisfy coefficient in individual del n suffix में I should be separately 0. thus log n suffix में I beta plus beta summation I log base e a is equal to 0 log base e n I बटा a is equal to beta epsilon I. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 on taking we have n suffix में I बटा a is equal to e के खाते minus beta epsilon suffix में n I is equal to a e के खाते beta epsilon I. this is Boltzmann chemical distribution law. the distribution expresses the number of particles in energy state. epsilon suffix में I are a function of energy. the constant a and b are the same of all the cells. according to this law the number of particles in the cell decreases exponentially with the increase in the energy. epsilon suffix में I corresponding to that cell. this means that the number of particles in the lower energy state will be larger than it state in higher energy. the number of particles will be maximum in the cell with the least energy. epsilon is equal to 0. the variation n suffix में I will be epsilon suffix में I shown in figure 5. evaluation of a constant a. the value of the constant a be determined with the help of equation 1. putting the value of n suffix में I from equation 13 into the equation 1 we get summation I n I equal to n समीशन I a e के खाते माइनस बीटा एप्सिलॉन I इक्वल टू n a इक्वल टू n बटा के एप्सिलॉन I e के खाते माइनस बीटा I द क्वांटिटी एप्सिलॉन I b के खाते माइनस बीटा I इज कॉल्ड पार्टीशन फंक्शन ऑफ ए रिप्रेजेंट बाय z z इक्वल टू समीशन I e के खाते माइनस बीटा सफिक्स में I 15 n इक्वल टू a z और a इक्वल टू n बटा के z यहाँ सफिक्स में I इक्वल टू n बटा के z e के खाते माइनस बीटा एप्सिलॉन I 16 n सफिक्स में I इक्वल टू n e के खाते माइनस बीटा एप्सिलॉन सफिक्स में I बटा के समीशन I e के खाते माइनस बीटा एप्सिलॉन I 17. this gives the particle of the ith cell of the number energy epsilon suffix में evaluation of the parameter beta. suppose the system is given A small amount of heat dq at the constant value due to energy sum of the particle is lower energy state in migrate into the higher energy state. According to the second law of fundamental, the energy of the internal energy of the system constant value d equal to dq equal to tds. Third, but the change of energy of the system is given by d equal to epsilon 1 d sufficient 1 plus epsilon 2 d sufficient 2 plus epsilon 3 d sufficient 3 plus summation I dni is equation number only. But according to Boltzmann entropy, S is equal to k log base e omega, ds is equal to k d log e base. But according to equation d log base e omega is equal to minus summation I log e ni di dni ds is equal to minus k summation I log base e ni di ni. Equation number 21. In the assumes the system is equilibrium state, then n sub i is equal to a e कहते हैं minus beta epsilon sub i. Thus the equation ds is equal to minus k summation I log base e a e कहते हैं minus beta epsilon I dni is equal to minus k summation I log base e a minus beta epsilon I dni is equal to minus k summation I log base e a dni but plus k beta summation I epsilon dni is equal to minus k log base e a epsilon I dni plus k beta epsilon I dni is equal to k beta epsilon I epsilon sub I dni epsilon sub I dni is equal to 0. Using equation now we get ds is equal to k beta de. Equation now by de is equal to 1 by k beta ds 23. Comparing equation 18 and only we get 1 beta k beta is equal to t, beta is equal to 1 by kt. This gives the value of parameter minus beta in the above relation. K in Boltzmann constant, universal constant, and T is the absolute temperature of the system. Hence the number of particles is cell energy epsilon sub I becomes n sub I equal to a minus epsilon sub I बटा kt. So is the probability of finding a particle in the energy state epsilon sub I is equal to p epsilon sub I is equal to n sub I बटा n is equal to a बटा n e कहते हैं minus epsilon sub I बटा kt. 25 putting the value a we have epsilon sub I p of epsilon sub I e कहते हैं minus epsilon sub I बटा kt बटा के summation e कहते हैं minus epsilon sub I बटा kt. 26 if a postulate temperature Tk of the probability of the accumulation of energy state epsilon 1 and epsilon 2 are respectively p1 and p2, then their relative probability will r is equal to p1 बटा p2 इक्वल टू e कहते हैं माइनस epsilon 1 k बटा kt बटा के समेशन e कहते हैं माइनस epsilon 2 बटा kt r इक्वल टू e कहते हैं माइनस epsilon minus क्वेश्चन में epsilon 1 minus epsilon 2 बटा kt. Also the if the parameter related to the system has a value x, in the average value will be obtained using x bar is equal to x is equal to summation I xi p of xy is equal to summation I x sub इसमें I e कहते हैं माइनस epsilon I बटा kt बटा के summation I e कहते हैं माइनस epsilon I बटा kt. 28 एग्जाम्पल 1 द डिफरेंस ऑफ एनर्जी ऑफ टू साइड स्टेट इन 5.25 गुणे 10⁻21 जे एंड द रेशियो ऑफ द probability is equal square calculated the temperature of the system given Boltzmann constant k equal to 1.38 गुणे 10⁻23 j k inverse solution. If the difference of energy of two state is del E, the ratio of probability is r equal to e खाते del epsilon बटा kt log r equal to del epsilon बटा kt t equal to del epsilon बटा k log r given epsilon del r epsilon equal to 5.25 गुणे 10⁻21 j k equal to 1.38 गुणे 10⁻23 j inverse r equal to e square इक्वल टू 5.25 गुणे 10⁻21 बटा के 1.38 गुणे 10⁻23 गुणे log बेस ई इंटू ई स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 5.25 गुणे 10⁻21 बटा के 1.38 गुणे 10⁻23 गुणे 200 के. एग्जाम्पल 2 द डिफरेंस ऑफ एनर्जी ऑफ स्टेट 2 इज 4.83 गुणे 10⁻21 जे and the ratio of the probability of each equation determine the temperature of the system. Solution for the example 1 the temperature of the system is given by t equal to del E बटा के k log r given del r equal to 4.83 गुणे 10⁻21 j k equal to 1.38 गुणे 10⁻23 j k inverse r equal to square t equal to 4.83 गुणे 10⁻21 बटा के 1.38 गुणे 10⁻23 गुणे log base e क्वेश्चन में e square equal to 4.83 गुणे 10⁻21 बटा के 1.38 गुणे 10⁻23 गुणे 2 equal to 175 के. एग्जाम्पल 3 द नंबर ऑफ द पार्टिकल ऑफ ए सिस्टम इन 3 सेल n1 इक्वल टू 6 n2 इक्वल टू 4 n3 इक्वल टू 3 एंड द एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम सेल इज epsilon epsilon 1 is equal to 0, epsilon 2 is equal to 2j and epsilon 3 is equal to 4j respectively, assuming that the n and e are constant in del n3 is equal to -2, find del n1 and del n2, find the initial and financial probability. Also रोहित को 1980 गिवन n1 6, n2 इक्वल टू 4 एंड n3 इक्वल टू 3, epsilon 1 इक्वल टू 0, epsilon 2 इक्वल टू 2j एंड epsilon 3 इक्वल टू 4j. द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल n इक्वल टू स्मॉल n1 प्लस n2 प्लस n3 इक्वल टू 6 प्लस 4 प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 13, ई इक्वल टू n1 epsilon 1 प्लस n2 epsilon 2 प्लस n3 epsilon इक्वल टू 6 गुणे 0 प्लस 4 गुणे 2 प्लस 3 गुणे 4 इक्वल टू 20 जूल. गिवन डेल n3 इक्वल टू -2 एंड डेल ई इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट, n इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट, देयरफॉर फ्रॉम समेशन डेल n सफिक्स में i इक्वल टू 0, समेशन डेल n सफिक्स में 1 प्लस डेल n सफिक्स में 2 प्लस डेल n सफिक्स में 3 इक्वल टू 0, डेल n1 प्लस डेल n2 -2 इक्वल टू 0, डेल n1 प्लस डेल n2 इक्वल टू 2a, समेशन epsilon 1 डेल n1 इक्वल टू 0, डेल समेशन 1 डेल n1 प्लस epsilon 2 डेल n2 प्लस epsilon 3 डेल n3 इक्वल टू 0, 0 गुणे डेल n1 प्लस 2 गुणे डेल n2 प्लस 4 गुणे -2 इक्वल टू 0, 0 प्लस 2 डेल n1 2 माइनस 8 इक्वल टू 0, डेल n2 इक्वल टू 4, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन ए n1 प्लस 4 इक्वल टू 2, डेल n1 इक्वल टू -2. दस द फाइनल स्टेट डेल n1 इक्वल टू -2, डेल n2 4, एंड द फाइनल स्टेट ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ए पार्टिकल इज n-1 इक्वल टू 4, n2-2 इक्वल टू 8, n3- इक्वल टू 1. नाउ द इनिशियल थर्मोडायनेमिक प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सिस्टम ओम सबिस में आई इक्वल टू n1 फैक्टोरियल बटा माइनस n1 फैक्टोरियल, n2 फैक्टोरियल, n3 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 13 फैक्टोरियल बटा 6 फैक्टोरियल प्लस 6 फैक्टोरियल 4 फैक्टोरियल 3 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 6.006 मुझे कहते हैं 4. एंड फाइनली थर्मोडायनेमिक प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सिस्टम ओम में इक्वल टू n फैक्टोरियल बटा के n1 फैक्टोरियल, n2 फैक्टोरियल, n3 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 13 फैक्टोरियल बटा के 4 फैक्टोरियल 8 फैक्टोरियल 1 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 6.435 गुणे 10⁻³ The probability of the event cannot be EC negative. The probability of the combination R, n minus R for the distribution n particle in two similar boxes B 1 बटा के 2 घाते n NCR. तीसरा 10 n similar coin of toss the number times the minimum probability of the distribution C 1/2 घाते n. चौथा the n similar coins are tossed a number of times the maximum probability of the combination R, n minus R is D 1 बटा के 2 घाते n फैक्टोरियल बटा के n/2 फैक्टोरियल इंटू n बटा के 2 फैक्टोरियल. In the equilibrium state the thermodynamic probability of the system is a maximum. 6 the formula of Boltzmann canonical distribution law D n सफिक्स में इक्वल टू a e घाते माइनस बीटा बटा के एप्सिलॉन i. 7 the volume of the cell 6 dimensional phase space is AHQ. Example 1 the kinetic theory of matter is इम्पटी में भराएगा अनसुटेबल फॉर द स्टडी ऑफ सिस्टम हैविंग लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल. दूसरा द लॉ ऑफ यूजिंग द स्टडी ऑफ बिहेवियर ए सिस्टम कांस्टेंट ऑफ ए लार्ज ग्रेटेड ऑफ पार्टिकल्स आर कॉल्ड स्टैटिकल लॉ. तीसरा द माइक्रो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्टैटिकल मैकेनिक्स इज इंटरप्ट द. तीसरा में माइक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सिस्टम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल्स. चौथा द स्टेबल इम्पटी में भराएगा माइक्रो स्टेट ऑफ द सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेज. पांचवा द इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट ऑफ द माइक्रोस्कोपिक सिस्टम. पांचवा में इम्पटी में भराएगा रिमेन अनचेंज बट द माइक्रो स्टेट चेंज कंटिन्यूसली. माइक्रो स्टेट चेंज होता है, माइक्रो स्टेट जो होता है वो अनचेंज होता है, माइक्रो या माई जो होता है वो चेंज होता है. छठवां द फेज स्पेस कांस्टेंट ऑफ. छठवां में इम्पटी में भराएगा फिजिकल स्पेस एंड के बाद मोमेंटम इस पे भराएगा. सतवां द प्रोबेबिलिटी p इक्वल टू 1 रिप्रेजेंट. सातवां भराएगा डिफिनेस एंड p इक्वल टू 0 एंड रिप्रेजेंट द भराएगा इम्पॉसिबल ऑफ ए हैपनिंग्स. अठवां इफ p सफिक्स में r एंड p सफिक्स में s रिस्पेक्टिवली द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द टू सिस्टम म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट r एंड s देन द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द इवेंट r s विल बी. p सफिक्स में r s में भराएगा. आठवां में p सफिक्स में r प्लस p सफिक्स में x. नौवां द सम ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द पॉसिबल म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट इज. नौवां भराएगा यूनिटी. 10वां p सफिक्स में r एंड p सफिक्स में x रिस्पेक्टिवली द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द टू कंपोजिट इवेंट कंसिडर्ड इंडिपेंडेंट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द इवेंट्स अक्यूरिंग एट ए सेम. p सफिक्स में r s में भराएगा. 10वां में भराएगा पी सफिक्स में आर प्लस पी सफिक्स में एक्स। कंप्लीट द फार्मूला पी क्वेश्चन में आर क्वेश्चन पी ऑफ आर एन माइनस आर इक्वल टू 1 बटा के 2 खाते एन गुड़े भराएगा ग्रामा में एन सी आर बरामा द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द एन पार्टिकल है टू इक्वली बॉक्सेज द मैक्सिमम प्रोबेबिलिटी आर इक्वल टू एन बाई 2 होगा भराएगा ड्रामा इन द एबव इक्वेशन 12 द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द लिस्ट प्रोबेबल इवेंट इज तिरवा बराबर 1/2 के खाते भराएगा। 14 द स्टैटिकल्स प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ith डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज रिलेटेड टू थर्मोडायनेमिक प्रोबेबिलिटी एच पी सफिक्स में आई इक्वल टू 14 बराएगा ओम सफिक्स में आई बटा समेशन सफिक्स में आई। 15 फॉर द सिंगल पार्टिकल्स द वैल्यूम ऑफ कंटेनर्स इज भी द टोटल नंबर ऑफ एसेसिबल स्टेट बिलो एनर्जी इज 5 ऑफ ई में भराएगा। 15वां में भराएगा 4 पाई भी बटा 3 एच क्यू क्वेश्चन में 2 एम ई के खाते 3 बटा 2 भराएगा। 16वां फॉर द पार्टिकल ऑफ एम इन द वैल्यू भी द नंबर ऑफ एसेसिबल स्टेट इन द एनर्जी रेंज ई टू ई प्लस डेल ई इज ओमेगा ई में भराएगा। 16वां में 16वां भराएगा 4 पाई भी बटा के एच नॉट क्यू अंडर रूट में 2 एम ई फिर इंटू डेल ई। 17 अकॉर्डिंग टू बोल्ट्जमान कैनिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी ए पार्टिकल प्रोसेस एनर्जी ऑफ साइलेंस में इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू 17वां बराबर बोल्ट्जमान फैक्टर ई खाते माइनस बीटा एप्सिलॉन डाई। 18वां द पार्टीशन ऑफ फंक्शन ऑफ ए बोल्ट्जमान कैनिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज गिवन बाय जेड इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन इनटू ई खाते माइनस बीटा एप्सिलॉन डाई कंप्लीट। हर हर महादेव, जय श्री राम, ओम नमः शिवाय। Unit 2 complete. Unit 2 complete.